Good morning, class. All right. This week we're sticking with skimming and scanning reading skills you can use for your tape test since you're reading fast. So I hope you watched the videos from the last 2 days. This one we're gonna just what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through one of the Kahoot games and look at the questions. This is almost like a freebie for one of your lessons. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Please review your PowerPoint. Questions about skimming, fast reading, scanning, looking for just pieces of information, how we can use it in our tape test, how we do it, the practice we went over yesterday, which I highly recommend you going and working through. But alright, let's just jump right into it today. Alright, here's our lesson. So there's two Kahoot games. This one, let's just do the one that's the first Kahoot game, okay? Okay, class. We're gonna jump right into it. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, skimming and scanning. They're good strategies, it wastes time, they should be used with caution, works every time. They work every time? No. Good? Not good? No. Waste valuable time? No. Use with caution, right? We don't do this every time. Remember what it said in our PowerPoint, that we need to make sure that we're doing these in moderation. We're using them for the right questions. If you've got the time, it is always beneficial to read the whole passage. Okay. What do they use to help you? Go as quickly as possible, find information without reading everything carefully, increase your reading comprehension. Find information without reading everything? No. Yeah, did I say no? I meant yes. Yes. Alright, they're not going to increase your reading comprehension because you're not reading everything. And you're not worrying about going as quickly. You're finding tidbits of information without reading everything carefully. Alright, good. Are ways of what? Copying documents, throwing stones, conning people their money, or reading. Alright. I think y'all know this one, right? It's throwing stones, clearly. No, it's reading, right? Alright, this is a reading class, reading comprehension. That one's a pretty straightforward question, right? How does skimming and scanning a text help you? It helps you spell words correctly, plan your written answer, helps you understand text without reading every word, right? What do y'all think? Yes. It helps you understand a text without reading every word. Nothing about spelling, nothing about written answer. Taishay on fire up here. Skimming is about. Alright, here we go. Let's get into getting as much information as possible from the text, getting the basic ideas of the main topic, lots of detail, getting the gist of the passage. Basic ideas, boom, getting the gist. No, getting the basic ideas. It is getting the gist also, so, which the gist is essentially the basic ideas of the main topic. So, if you got that wrong, which everyone did, because I would have given you that answer. Scanning is about, what is scanning? What are we doing when we scan? Finding details, finding main topics, finding general information not found in skimming, general understanding. Finding what? What do y'all think? Finding details, right? One piece of information. One little bit of information. Okay? It's tough questions. Skimming is what? Searching for a specific detail, reading quickly to get a general idea, reading every word, or reading a book for pleasure. Alright, so it's not these two, so which one is it? We're looking for a detail, or we're getting a general idea? When we skim, we get a... Right? Yeah. We're getting... Skimming is a general idea, scanning is looking for details. Good job, everyone. What is scanning? Reading quickly to understand the idea, reading a book, reading carefully, or read quickly to find specific information, names, dates, etc. Alright, green or red? We just did that this was skimming, so we know that this one has to be scanning. Good. Skimming is what? Obtaining a general idea, understanding in detail, specific information, and predicting possible. Alright, skimming, general idea or detail? Specific idea. One specific. No, when we skim, general idea. When we're looking for main idea questions, we're going to skim. We're going to read the title, read the first line, read the last line, get a general idea of what's happening. Okay, that is skimming. Scanning is what? Global understanding, pre-listening, locating specific information, or getting a general idea. Alright, we just talked about this. Scanning is one specific detail. Okay. Skimming is all about the money nuts. The overall idea, specific piece of information, keywords, and reading it all but doing it very fast. When do we skim? General idea, right? Straight on fire right now. Scanning is what? Big picture, keywords, specific details, or errors in the text. What do you think? When we scan, we're looking for specific ideas, also keywords. Alright, see, this is a lot of the same questions, but we're just drilling it in your head. This is what you need to do when you skim, the difference between skimming and scanning. Okay? A couple more. Examples of skimming are what? Finding the main idea, reading newspaper to get the news, searching for the topic of the reading, all of the above. So is it the main idea? We're getting the news, searching for the topic, or all of the above? Ooh, everyone wants to put all of the above. Or is it the topic of the reading? Are we getting all the news? It's the main idea, right? No, they said all of the above. Okay. Sure, this is a little trick question right here, but you could read this as reading a newspaper gets the news. You're getting the full news, right? I guess you could go with skimming, that you wouldn't read you're just getting the overall gist of the news, the main idea. But we'll go with all of the above. We'll let people creep back in, huh? What is skimming? When you read through a book or document quickly, you're looking at the back cover, you're reading it slowly, or reading every word. Reading through a book or document quickly, back cover, very slowly, no. Every word, right, it's fast reading, it's not every word. Back cover, it's not going to do you a whole lot. It's reading through a book or document quickly. Okay. Is skimming bad? Interesting. No, skim away. No, but a deal to reread. Yes, it is college. No, but it... Right? No, it's not bad, but remember, disclaimer again that it is important that if you have the time, read the passage. But again, on a tape test, we're timed and we seem to run out at the end of time. This is a good strategy to use. Good job, everyone. 2 more. Scanning is when answering detailed comprehension questions, reading to find a particular piece of information, planning, reading for fun. What are we doing when we scan? Again, looking for one specific piece of information or one detail. Uh-oh. Can we catch Miss Taishay? And here, Paul, on my tape test, I should always skim and scan and never read the whole paragraph. What y'all think of this? I love this video. Alright. Anyway, I throw these in there. I hope y'all watch this. I always skim and scan and never read the whole paragraph. No. No, we're not always skimming. We're only skimming when we run out of time. It is important. It is key that we remember this. It is important to read the paragraph when we have the time. Okay? It's huge. All right. Good job. So, all right. So that was good. A good little review there. This Kahoo. If you've watched this video, intent, you have all your answers. So I highly recommend watching these videos. Again, we'll continue with skimming and scanning this week. Remember, Google Meet every morning, 8:15 to 11:40. If you can't get on there, work. I understand. Just you need to touch base with me. For the 2 of you that have Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, my Google Meet is on the Tuesday, Thursday link. So make sure you click on that. And one more thing is that I need everybody, before we go through the skimming and scanning, is to complete this practice test. Okay? This is important. We need to see where we're at. We need to see where we're at if we're ready to take our test. So please click on this link, start your practice test, get started. I know it looks like a lot, but again, you can skim and scan, only 15 questions. We'll get credit for this as one of your assignments. So please make sure you do this, and then make sure when you do this that you've put your answers on this Google form, okay? Please do this first before you do your skimming and scanning lessons. Again, 5 classes, 5 lessons. I excel. I got 2 worksheets. I got 2 Kahoots. I got a tape practice test. So 2 worksheets, 2 Kahoots. That's 5 lessons right there. Not on top of I excel. I'll give you as many hours as you do. 3 classes, give me 3 assignments. First, everyone needs to make sure they do that tape practice test, and then give me 2 skimming and scanning assignments. 2 classes, tape practice test, and 1 of the assignments. And just 1 class, tape practice test, and whatever assignments you can do. Remember, I excel. Many hours as you do in there will count for towards your hours. And also remember that this week when we practice skimming and scanning, go through any of the lessons in iExcel that we've gone over the last couple months, and just go through those and do your practice skimming and scanning those and getting 80 on your SMART score. All right, looks like we're out of time. I hope everyone has a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye now.